Today we are going to demonstrate viruses and how they spread and how we can get rid of viruses. So first of all, we're going to use pepper to look like the virus, and we're going to shake it inside the plate on some water. So Amir, put some virus inside the plate. Yeah, give us a good little bit because the corona is pretty bad. So we need a lot of virus in there. Get a lot of virus. Yeah, a lot of virus, a lot of corona. Okay. So, the coronavirus spreads mainly from touching people. So, if you get the coronavirus on your hands, it's really important to wash your hands. So, first, we're going to stick our finger in the virus and let's see what happens. Put your finger in the virus. Oh, you see how the virus is just all over and all around? Yeah, you see it? Okay, let's take your finger out. You got any virus on your finger?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so in this bowl, we have some soap. So let's put a little bit of soap on your finger. Yeah, just swirl it around in there. Like when you wash your hands, you're washing it in the soap. You're washing it in the soap. Oh! So, next, we're going to show you how now that you have clean hands, it'll help get rid of the corona. So now, put your finger back in the virus. Whoa! What happened?
It spread it all the way
Over.
the finger.
It went away from the soap, right?
Yeah.
So corona doesn't like soap. So what are we going to do to our hands?
Clean our
With
hands
what?
With
Soap.
Wash your hands with soap and warm water. I like to wash my hands saying the ABC.
All right. So we like to say the ABC, so we make sure that we're washing our hands long enough to get them clean. And it's also very fun for kids to do with their parents. So let's get our warm water on.
Let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, good job.